Assalamu alaikum, my dear Falconians of class 4. I am your science teacher, Miss Maha Rehan, and today in this video I am going to explain you the exercise page number 101 of lesson number 13, Understanding Energy. As you already know that we have covered our whole chapter Understanding Energy till the last video. Now we have to complete our science book work. So the exercise page number 101, open the page number 101. This exercise is related to chapter lesson number 13, Understanding Energy. As I have given you the whole explanation of the chapter, so this exercise will be very easy for you to complete. Now, one by one, I'm going to give you the explanation about the questions. Then you have to write down the answer by your own. So, the first question on exercise page number 101 is, put a tick for true and a cross for false. Give a reason for your answer. If your statement is false, then you have to write down the reason with the correct statement. But if your statement is true, then it is okay. You do not have to write down anything else. Now, the first one. First one is, you can do work even if you do not have energy. So this is the false statement, as I have told you that whenever we have to do work, we need energy. Without the presence of energy, we are not able to do any type of work. For example, if there is no energy present in your body, you are not able to complete your homework, you are not able to play, you are not able to do anything, because every work requires energy. So the first one is the false statement. You have to write down the correct reason for it. The second one, energy is available in various forms. Various means different forms. So this is a true statement, as I have explained you in the chapter that there are overall 5 forms of energy. So there are different forms of energy. This one is the true statement. Now moving on toward the third one is, fuels have stored energy in them. Stored, what is the meaning of stored? Stored means whenever the energy is required in the body, then we can use that energy. Fuels have the stored energy in them. This is also the true statement, as I have given you the explanation about fuels. I have told you that all the things which can be burned to produce energy, all those things are called fuel, and fuel have the stored energy in them. Now, number 4 is, sun is an important source of energy. As you all already know that from the sun we get our basic source of energy. So this one is the true statement. Then the fifth and the last one is, light energy is the most important form of energy. As I have told you that without light we are not able to do anything, because with the help of light we are able to see, and when we are able to see, then we can perform any function. So if the light is not present, we are unable to do anything in our daily life. So light energy is the most important form of energy. This one is also the true statement. Now, as true and false are done, now moving on towards the second question, which is, name these. One by one, I am going to give you the explanation, then you have to write down the answer by your own. The first one is, it is required to do work. Write down the name of that word. What is the thing in your body which is required to do work? As I have told you, whenever you have to do work, you have to use what? Write down that answer. Then the second one is, this form of energy is used by plants to make food. As you know that this is the ability of plants to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. This all you have learned in your class 3 also. So what the plants need? The plants need light energy for the making of food. So what form of energy is used by plants to make food? This is simply, the answer is light energy. Then the third one is, this form of energy is required to make electricity in dams. If you see page number 99 under the topic of kinetic energy. This whole line is written under the topic of kinetic energy. Read down that topic and write down the answer by your own. Then the fourth one is things are burned to produce energy. What are those things which are burned to produce energy? This is the definition which I have also explained to you. So write down that single word here. And the fifth and the last one is our body stores energy in the form of it. The fourth and fifth answer is written on your book page number 100 under the topic of energy can be stored. Read down that topic from there and make sure to write down the correct answer. Now moving on towards the last question, which is question number 3. The question number 3 is, what do you understand by fuels? Firstly, you have to write down the definition of fuel as written in your book and copies, and then name some common fuels. And I have also given you the example of some common fuels. For example, I have given you the answer hint. This answer is present on your page number 100 under the heading of energy can be stored. That fuel definition which I have explained to you, and you have also written it in the book. So make sure to write down the correct answer. Okay, so now what is your home assignment, class 4? Complete the exercise page number 101 of lesson number 13, understanding energy. Then your whole page will be completed. Inshallah, I will be meeting with you with the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day, class 4.